climax is the high point in the story. That's what everything is building up to. The main thing that's answered in the climax is whether or not the hero will accomplish the goal. That's where it's answered. So in the boxing story, the climax would be the fight between the hero and the boxing opponent. In the detective story, the climax would be a showdown between the detective and the killer. So everything that's at stake, the goal, it's all wrapped up and answered in this one big scene. You want it to be as intense and as splashy as you could possibly make it. This is what everything is building up towards, and you really want to finish strong. The climax answers the question of whether or not the hero is going to achieve the external goal. But the story doesn't end right at the climax. There is a wind down period where you see how the hero acclimates to life after the dramatic events of the climax. During this wind down period, that's where the question is answered: does the hero achieve the need? So if you remember in our lessons on character, we talked about how the hero has an external want and an internal need. The external want, whether or not that is achieved, is answered in the climax, and the need is addressed post-climax once you see how the hero reacts to the events of the climax and how everything played out with the opponents and the allies.